Hey guys, it's a wash day and I'm really excited. If you watched last week's video where I took down my braids, this is the aftermath. And so I'm just separating my hair. I'm actually exfoliating, and so that's why you have like the white particles on my face so you know what's up. And this is my hair. My first step is always to drench my hair, to soak it in water. And this just really helps it get flexible and also to remove products that I can and really just get the hair ready. So this is my prepping process and my hair has grown so much. Wow. So the next step is to clarify, and I love clarifying with apple cider vinegar. This is from Cream of Nature, and what this does is it helps the products to break down, and so it's helping my hair, restoring that balance and really just giving it like a fresh clean. And so that's why I really love massaging that apple cider vinegar into my scalp, into my hair, and get it in there. Be careful, it does sting when it gets into your eyes. That's me. So the next step is to rinse, and so I love rinsing with some warm water. I drench my hair in warm water, I rinse with warm water, and then I move into shampoo, and this is from SHEA Moisture, and I'm just working that product in. You guys know I'm heavy-handed, you know that, and I really just love using a good amount of product and coating my hair in it and getting that gorgeous foam and really working that product into my hair, into my scalp, and giving myself a good massage. So now I'm rinsing again with some lukewarm water, and this is just me taking my time because my hair tends to hold product. I really like to make sure I've rinsed it thoroughly and then move on to the next step, which is a co-wash, and I'm using the Pantene Gold Series co-wash, which is amazing, one of my favorite things right now and for a while, and it's finished, so you can tell that I really love it and I have to get it out, like no wasting here. And so I'm really taking my time to do that and being very, very serious about it because this is very serious. It's finished and I don't want to hop out of the shower just to get like a new one, you know. So I'm really taking my time, showing you guys how to do that. You know, you gotta put a finger in and get it out. And since now it's co-wash, and so I am using a co-wash because I actually thought it was a conditioner, but it was too late to change it, so I'm just using that. But it's okay because I'm still gonna deep condition, and so I'm rinsing out using this BRIOGEO honey deep conditioning mask, which is my first time trying it out, and the bottle is so cute. And so I like to use a good amount as usual, and so I'm making sure to deep condition because that's what's gonna give my hair that life, softness, and bring it, you know, all those nutrients that I definitely need for healthy hair. So deep conditioner is one step I really love doing as much as I can. So if I can every wash day, I will deep condition because it's really just a helpful step to healthy hair. And this is a moisture deep conditioner, and it was my first time trying it out and I was quite impressed. My hair really softened up once I popped it on, and this is just me having fun because I was like really impressed with how soft my hair went, and you guys can see it's looking gorgeous. So to detangle, I'm using a white tooth comb, and what I'm just doing is just pulling out sections and combing from the ends to the roots and really just working that product in, as well as just helping remove any fallout, tangling, and all of that. So I'm really being gentle. I know it's sped up and it looks a bit aggressive, but I'm being very gentle to reduce breakage. And this is a great step to detangle just because my hair is really soft and moisturized, so it's gonna be, you know, a lot flexible as opposed to if I was doing this dry. So doing this while I deep condition, it's really great because by then my hair is softened up, the tangles have loosened up, and it just makes it easier. So that's, you know, everything that I had to detangle. That's a lot but it's still okay since I haven't washed my hair in like a month or two. So I'm just rinsing off, and when I deep condition, I rinse off with cool water. This is just to seal in that moisture and to lock it in. So my hair actually felt weird after I rinsed off the deep conditioner, which is okay. So I went in with this Pantene Gold Series leave-on detangling milk. If you've watched my 5 favorite leave-in products, you will see that it's there. It's one of my faves. my hair reacts to it instantly and I get really soft hair, and it's super hydrated. So rather than, you know, popping on a towel, I went straight into just popping on that leave-in, so that while my hair dries up just a bit, because I'm gonna continue my shower, it's getting that hydration and that moisture that it needs. I'm not sure why my hair felt weird after the deep conditioning mask, but I know it has a tendency to do that if I haven't washed my hair in a while. So no alarms, just the fact that I reacted to my hair and it was soft means like my hair likes the deep conditioning mask. So now I am just like putting my hair into sections. We've popped in that leave-on milk. Now we're putting it in sections and using a butterfly clip to hold it down. And so this just helps keep it stretched while I continue the rest of my shower. And I like to put it into 6 sections because this would then help with the braiding style that is under my wig. And as you guys can see, I popped on a microfiber towel, and this is from Diva Co. This will help with the drying process but still leave my hair moisturized. So I have hopped out of the shower, and this is just my hair. I love to work in this BRIOGEO castor oil, and I am just really working it in and making sure that that product is worked in nicely, and then combing it again to make sure it's, you know, detangled even more. And I'm taking my time to do this from the ends to the roots and being as gentle as possible, and then popping on a 3-strand braid because this is what helps keep my hair stretched and also long lasting. So I like to braid my hair into a 3-strand braid, and I really like to take my time. So the positioning of my braids depends on the style I'm rocking. I know I'm gonna rock a wig, so that's why it's being braided this way. That way I can just like bobby pin down the braids, pop on a wig cap, and then pop on my wig. So there is an intention when I am at this stage of putting my hair into a style that will keep it stretched and protected. And so, you know, keeping it like this is because of the wig I had in mind or the style I'm going for that week. So I like to think of what am I doing that week to my hair. It definitely helps with the whole process of washing it and then eventually styling, so that way you're not manipulating your hair too much. So I like to 3-strand braid it, twist it towards the end, and then finger curl the tips to protect it. And this is just everything done. It's 6 gorgeous braids. As you can see, my hair is really long. Quite impressed, really. I'm gonna use bobby pins now, and this is to just help put my hair in place. I like to stretch it like a crisscross. That way it keeps it stretched and as flat as possible. And I'm really just showing you guys, this is not meant to be neat or cute. It's just meant to keep my hair stretched and just neat for the rest of the week to my next wash day. And so this is, you know, these are the list of things that I put into my wash day to really help my hair remain healthy and to reduce the manipulation. So as you guys can see, it's pretty flat and, you know, it's stretched. So I actually washed my weave with this Nature Lab shampoo and conditioner, and so I kept it there to dry. Now I am just like detangling it with a brush. I'm popping on this product from Nature Lab, which helps with heat and styling, and this is my detangling brush. I then go in with like a bucket, the wig in the bucket, and then this hooded dryer from CURLFORMERS. I'm popping on that blow dryer into this part. Really just helps create like a hooded dry effect. So this is like a hack I'm sharing with you guys. And so I just like placed it like this, ensured that it was nicely secured, and then just did some errands around my apartment. That way, just keeping an eye on it, making sure, you know, nothing turns into a disaster, and also just checking on my wig as well. So as it dries, I flip it over. And so this is just me popping it on and styling it for you guys. And as you guys can see, it's so frizzy. I actually really loved it like this, but I really wanted to try this wig straight. I've had this wig for quite a while, so I can't remember where it's from, but I do know the shedding is bad now, and it's really it tangles up a lot. So something I'm not going to recommend to you guys, but I have it and it serves its purpose, so it's fine. So I'm straightening my hair, And the product I used earlier on from Nature Lab actually has that heat protection, so that's why you don't see me using a heat protectant. And I'm going in with this Sheer Moisture foam mousse, and this is just going to help with everything. And this Nature Lab oil as well. Everything that I use will be down in the description box and in the comment section, so it will help you guys if you need like specific names. And this is just the hair straight, and I'm using like a got2b glue to stick the closure down in the middle. And honestly, I didn't have anywhere to go, so that's why I was doing this and enjoying some music. So I'm using a blow dryer on cold to help dry it down, and really just, you know, checking it out. I wasn't really as satisfied with the hair, but I was like, okay, I'm feeling this, let's rock it. And this is just like the final look. Oh, I actually later switched it to a different style, which I will share with you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.